So over here by default, you can actually see that the interface of Adobe Media Encoder is quite dark. That if you want to actually make it light, you can do that by changing the appearance setting. So to do that, you can go around over here onto the edit menu and then go to preferences right here. Once you do that, you can see that appearances is an option. So if you were to go to appearance right here, you can see that right now I'm in default mode right here. But I can change it to dark mode or light mode right here, just like this as well. So you can see that everything is light now instead of the dark mode right here. Apart from that, I can also go ahead and change the language. So I can go around onto preferences, and in appearance, you can see that the language by default is English, but you can go ahead and change it to Spanish. Let's say, for example, press OK right here, and then you'll be able to see, like, let's say, for example, that the language changes. But right now, nothing is changed right now because I haven't restarted out the application. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So let me just go ahead right here, close it. And then if I were to go ahead and restart out the application, so if I were to open up Adobe Media Encoder again, you can see the new language right here, which is taking place. And now you can see that all the language has been changed. And if you want to go ahead and change that back out into English again, simply go to edit, the second option, the preferences right here. And then from the second option, simply go ahead and choose English and then click accept. And then go ahead and restart out the application again. So once you do that, what happens is that it'll go ahead and change it around just like this again, right here. If you want to change the app appearance settings again, simply go around over here onto preference. And let's say the preference, I'm going to choose dark, not the darkest, but dark right here. Press OK, and this is what you have. So that is how you can go ahead and change around the appearance settings as you like inside of Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.